Bigyan kita ng jacket. Okay, sir. Kain muna po kayo. 7 viewers, mega love shout out. Good evening. Yan, binigyan na kita ng jacket sa Rosario Amahit. Yan, good evening sa'yo. Ayan. Sa 9 viewers, mega love shout out. Good evening, good evening. Mega love shout out, guys. Si Golden Shadow galit ata sa akin. Golden Shadow, are you angry with me? Ayan, 5 viewers, mega love shout out. Hello sa 5 viewers, mega love shout out. Thank you, Sanjay. Maraming salamat sa suporta. 10 viewers, mega love shout out. Good evening sa inyong lahat na nandyan. Sa ating 10 viewers na nandyan, guys. Good evening, guys. Good evening sa inyong lahat. Mega love shout out. Yan. Sino pang nandyan, guys? 10 viewers, hello. Good evening, good evening. Ayan. Thank you sa suporta, Sanjay. Rosario Mike, Clyde Charge, kasi kay Golden Shadow. My first viewer, Golden Shadow. Ayan. 10 viewers, please like my live, guys, or subscribe me, guys. Thank you. Thank you, guys. 5 viewers, mega love shout out. Good evening, guys. Yeah. 5 viewers, mega love shout out. Good evening, mega love shout out. Thirteen viewers, mega love shout out. Good evening. 13 viewers, mega love shout out. Good evening po. Yeah, sa 13 viewers na nandyan, guys, mega love shout out. Hello, Sir JL Motovlog. Mega love shout out, Sir, Sir JL Motovlog. Tom 6, mega love shout out. Hello, Sir JL, Motovlog. Good evening, mega love shout out. Guys, please connect JL Motovlog guys. Ay, pin ko siya, guys. Sa 13 viewers, mega love shout out. Please connect to JL Motovlog, guys. 13 viewers, mega love shout out. Please connect to JL Motovlog. Hello, Sanjay. Good evening, mega love shout out, Sanjay. Thank you. Maraming salamat sa iyo sa pagsuporta mo lagi sa everyday evening live ko. Yan. 46 banana na po. Guys, please connect to JL Motovlog. Konti pa lang siya, guys. Please connect to JL Motovlog, guys. Sa 7 viewers na nandyan, guys. Please connect JL Motovlog. Nawala na agad yung mga tao, di ba? Ayan. Sa 5 viewers, mega love shout out. Guys, please connect to JL Motovlog, guys. Shout out po sa inyong lahat, sabi ni Sir JL Motovlog. Shout out. Please connect to JL Motovlog, guys, sa 6 viewers na nandyan. Mega love shout out, guys. Please connect to JL Motovlog. Thank you, Sir Jay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.